Hi guys, welcome to Forex Profit Maker, and today I'm introducing my new MT4 indicator called Psi Power System. And this indicator is 90% accuracy, and it works very good in 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. And it is the power system where you can earn more profit in the Forex market, or you can use this indicator for Bitcoin, you can use this indicator for crypto or anything. And this indicator I'm giving for monthly rental or for one time license, both are available. But I just want to go through you this indicator how it is works. So for example, whenever the sell comes, for example the like sell or buy comes, the notification will come, pop-up notification will come, sell below this level, and target and stop loss, customized stop loss will come. For example, you see a lot of arrows, right? I'll just re-go to you. This will show the latest alert. I'll just show you the previous alerts. I used 4 hour chart for personally for myself. For example, we'll start with this candle. So sell below will appear. For example, if you using here this arrow, sell below will appear below this candle. So it will prop up like this. For example, sell below means this is the sell below this candle. And the stop loss is whichever the candle the arrow shows, that high of the candle is a stop loss. Or same way, if he shows buy here, high of the low of the candle is the stop loss. So it's very small stop loss if you notice. And the customized target will show here, like minimum target will show. But I strongly suggest all my traders, you do trailing stop loss of previous candle high. For example, if you short here 39311, so this is the stop loss is here, and as this candle close, you can put trailing stop loss here. Then later on, this candle close, then you can put trailing stop loss here. And after that, one more candle close and the trailing stop loss here. So then after that, this one more candle close here, the trailing stop loss here, and this 4 hour and the trailing stop loss triggered. So from 39311 to 38232 to almost 1000 pips in pound USD. 1000 pips guys, in 4 hour chart, just one entry, 1000 pips. This is unbelievable. And with strong money management, you can make lots of money. Usually what I do, like if I have my $1000 account, I'll do 0.01 micro. If I have $10,000 account, I do 0.1 lot size. Whenever stop loss, this stop loss trigger, next lot I'll go like 0.2 or something, because out of second or third entry will give good run, good profit in this. So this one part I explained. After this, if you notice, there's a buy came here. See, there's a buy here, this candle. So automatically the pop-up will come here, buy above. So buy above this level, and the stop loss automatically shows below this level. So buy never triggered in the second candle, third candle buy triggered. So as I said, we'll do trailing stop loss, right? So we'll put trailing stop loss below this level. As this candle close, this is the trailing stop loss. And this, as this candle close, and this is a trailing stop loss, and trailing stop loss triggered. So difference, this is how much profit, 3836 to 39, almost again 500 points profit, 400 points, 400 pip profit. So this, after this, there's one more entry here. So sell came. The sell came below this level. So the stop loss will be here. It will pop up here. So don't worry about stop loss. Just whichever stop loss it gives here, just add that stop loss. Target you do trailing. So after the sell, as customized target will show here, that customized targets in this entry has been achieved already. But we wait for bigger profit, so we'll wait for trailing stop loss, right? So this trailing stop loss is here triggered. Then the buy came, so the buy triggered. Again trailing stop, and the customized target is achieved. For example, if you do like 0.2 lot size, one target you put the customize and take target, and the other lot you wait for a trailing stop loss. So there's a trailing stop loss here. Triggered here, the sell came here, and the sell customized target is achieved this level. So I'll remove this trend lines, it's confusing. Yes, so the sell came here, and the stop loss will be here. The sell triggered and customized target might be achieved, but the trailing is above this level. If you hold it for trailing, it's a loss entry, but no worry, next entry you can go 0.2 lot size, because it really works. See, the buy came here and the trailing stop loss is here, and buy triggered, trailing stop loss here. and buy triggered and trailing stop loss here, the trailing stop loss triggered. But don't worry, this is the buy level, right? Again re-entry here. So see now where it goes. So this time it gave almost 2000 pips, the trailing stop loss. There's a trailing stop loss triggered here, so you can exit actually. So some 1000 pips it gave. So this is a sell below and some whipsaw. Always sell below means don't do a exact amount, like put some little low. Or if you even sell below, stop loss trigger, don't worry, you will get very good entry here. There's a buy entry here, and again whipsaw, stop loss trigger, second entry. There's a third entry here. Let's check. Third entry gave you profits. So if you have a strong money management, it is like unlimited money, guys, with a good trailing stop loss of previous candle low. This is the unlimited money. This will really works. Check out, guys. So this is all like, even for example, there's an entry but never triggered. There's a buy entry here, it triggered, and after triggered, the trailing stop loss, if you put, it comes here, and actually the stop loss triggered here. Again you re-entry when it comes back, and the trailing stop loss worked here. So there's a sell here and trailing stop loss worked here. We made profit. Again there's a sell and the trailing stop loss worked here. Again sell and stop loss triggered, buy never came, never triggered, and sell triggered, and it continues. So this is pound USD 4 hour chart. Same for euro USD. Same logic, same thing. Same you can use for anything. You can use for even Dow also. See how it works. You can use for even Bitcoin. Check, and it's spot on. You can invest based on this. Bitcoin is running now, so it really work, guys. Don't miss this money making opportunity. I am also have a EA for this logic, and it will be ready soon. And this indicator, for this indicator, just contact me in my WhatsApp number. I'll tell you the details as I'll install the system. And this is a limited edition, so I'm just going to give for a few clients only. Take care, guys. See you next video.